right, very new bike, day one of really starting to hone in my low speed stuff and my balance point and trying to work into a pivot turn and pop in the front and just really trying to feel everything out. And no, I haven't ridden an actual dirt bike since I was in my teens. I'm 51 now. All right, yes, it's muggy out and hot. All right, full disclosure, I have been riding a KLR 650 for the past 3 years, I believe. Obviously adventure riding and some single track, but it's not as light and powerful as this bike. So I'm sure it helped, but the KLR is not capable of doing what this bike can do. Husqvarna TE 300. That was my first halfway decent pivot turn. That feels really good. It is a lot of work and repetition. I'm going to be doing this night after night. Okay, that last one was a partial pivot turn. It's still like 95 out here, and I have to tell myself it's point of no return for practice tonight. I'm getting tired. I'm definitely dialing some things in. This is what I did. I'm a police motorcycle officer and instructor. I still do this, like years of when nobody else is practicing, by yourself, just out on the course, out in your yard like this, working everything. So when I get to the trails and single tracks and all that, I'm very, very confident and comfortable with the bike, and I know its limitations. I know what it can do, what it can't do. Again, guys, I haven't ridden a dirt bike since I was a teenager, so I don't have an instructor. I watch some videos. I know what to do. I'm pretty good at that, about watching videos and knowing what I need to do, but I know there's a lot of experienced dirt bike riders out there, and just be easy on me, okay? This is literally, I've been out on the dirt and hill climbs and things like that, but this is a lot more technical stuff. So let me know if you see anything that I could do better, that you see that I'm not doing. I really want to progress in dirt. I've got street down really good, and I will continue that, but I really want to get good in dirt. So let me know. I do know self-diagnosing, you know, I'm learning the balance point where that's at. That's a brain thing to get over. Also, I'm not completely working my clutch. I either come back too far and then I pull it in too quick and it slams down, or I don't pull it in enough and then it walks back on me. Also, I really noticed the last couple ones there that I wasn't preloading the suspension good enough. I was getting lazy. It's because I'm getting a little bit tired. But when I really focused, you know, getting the bite point, getting the front brake on, loading the suspension real good, it made it really tons easier to walk it back. So yeah, I'll be doing short videos like this as I'm literally learning dirt bike. You know, I mean, I can ride a dirt bike, I can ride pretty fast, and, you know, and hills and trails and stuff like that. But this is a lot more technical, and I want to get into a lot more of that type of riding. So anyways, hope you enjoyed me in my yard. It's a new passion of mine. Don't worry, street bikes are still, love them, #1 for this channel, but we like to mix other stuff in too. So let me know your thoughts.